Hi everyone, welcome to Communicative Arabic. My name is Sohail and today we're going to learn how to negate nouns and adjectives. We're going to learn how to say things like I'm not a doctor, I'm not a teacher, I'm not tired, I'm not tall. In order to negate nouns and adjectives, we're going to need the word laysa. Laysa. Laysa means not, as in I'm not, or you're not, or he's not, and so on. But before we can use laysa, we need to learn how to conjugate it, which means we need to learn how to change it to match the person we're talking about. So let's open the PDF file for this lesson and go to the table to see how we can conjugate laysa. Let's start with the first one. He is not. هو ليس. هو ليس. The second one, she is not. هي ليست. هي ليست. Now, as you can see, laysa has changed to laysat with a t at the end to match she. Let's look at the third one. هم ليسوا. هم ليسوا. Again, the ending of laysa has changed to match they or whom. Next one. They are not. Feminine. هن لسن. هن لسن. Here, something a little strange has happened, and that is that the letter y in laysa has disappeared. That can happen sometimes, and the best way to learn these little changes is through practice and natural exposure. Alright, now let's look at the next one. You are not. أنت لست. أنت لست. Again, the y in laysa has disappeared. The next one, you are not feminine. أنت لستِ. أنت لستِ. Next one, you are not masculine plural. أنتم لستم. أنتم لستم. And the next one, you are not feminine plural. أنتن لستن. أنتن لستن. The next one, I'm not. أنا لست. أنا لست. And the last one, we are not. نحن لسنا. نحن لسنا. Alright, that's all the grammar we're going to need for this lesson. Now let's move on to the sample sentences. Number 1, he is not tired. هو ليس تعبان. Number 2, she is not at school. هي ليست في المدرسة. Number 3, they are not engineers. هم ليسوا مهندسين. Number 4, they are not students. هن لسن طالبات. Number 5, you are not happy. أنت لست مسرور. Number 6, you are not sad. أنت لست محزونة. Number 7, I'm not thirsty. أنا لست عطشان. Number 8, we are not nurses. نحن لسنا ممرضين. Number 9, he is not at the park. هو ليس في الحديقة. Number 10, she is not a good student. هي ليست طالبة جيدة. Number 11, they are not at work. هم ليسوا في العمل. Number 12, you are not cooks. أنتم لستم طباخين. Number 13, you are not photographers. أنتن لستن مصورات. Number 14, we are not at the market. نحن لسنا في السوق. Number 15, you are not a doctor. أنت لست طبيب. Number 16. My house is not big. بيتي ليس كبير. Number 17. My school is not good. مدرستي ليست جيدة. Number 18. Our apartment is not comfortable. شقتنا ليست مريحة. Number 19. His city is not cheap. مدينته ليست رخيصة. Number 20. Her dog is not hungry. كلبها ليس جوعان. Number 21. Our village is not big. قريتنا ليست كبيرة. Number 22. Their restaurant is not good. مطعمهم ليس جيد. Number 23. Their child is not a doctor. طفلهم ليس طبيب. Number 24. We are not at the hotel. نحن لسنا في الفندق. Alright guys, so that's it for today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions or comments about the lesson, leave them down below in the comment section and I'll get to them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.